Felicitations with good advices, sir. Now I request Mr. A.L.Somayaji, former Advocate General, to felicitate the young entrants. Please, sir.
Good evening to all of you. Honorable Mr. Justice S. Vaidyanathan, Mr. Amal Raj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry, Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Saravanan, Member, Priscilla Pandian, Member, Enrolment Committee, and my dear friends John Satyan and T. Mohan, Mr. K. Balu, Chandrasekhar, Mr. Shankar Narayan, Additional Solicitor General, and other dignitaries. I welcome all of you, and I thank the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry for giving me the opportunity to associate myself with this enrollment function. And I congratulate each and every one of you for having enrolled yourself as a member of this Bar Council. I can tell you whatever I wanted to say has been said by Mr. John Satyan and T. Mohan in their own way, so very little is left for me. But I only repeat it and say it in a different form. This profession, unlike any other profession like a doctor, you don't become great by reputation. You say so and so is the best cardiologist. It is only by word of mouth you know that he is the best. You do not know much about his professional excellence or capacity. But this is a profession in which there is a centralized place called court. In the court, when you argue the matter, you are being judged by the judge, your client, opposite side lawyer, and his client. So you must remember that your performance is being judged by each and every one of them. And such a centralized place is there, and because of which you can achieve excellence in the bar. Because the best man will always be recognized. And truthfulness is one of the things which you must develop, and if you already have, you must improve it. I can only narrate to you one instance. When Mahatma Gandhi was practicing in South Africa, he argued a very heavy matter before the court and narrated the facts, and the judge took copious notes of the facts narrated by him. After he completed his arguments, the judge said, the other side lawyer, you don't need to repeat the facts, you only argue the case on the question of law. Such was the reputation which he gained. That is on account of his truthfulness, because he has not said anything which is not borne by records and which is not a fact. That is one of the qualities which you must develop. I am reminded of an incident in my own practice which I would like to share with you, that also contains a piece of advice. I do not know how many of you have heard of Justice Mr. Siddharth Shankar Ray, who was a senior advocate of the Supreme Court. Before that, he was the Chief Minister of West Bengal, and he was the Governor of Punjab. He came here for a matter, for arguing this BCCI matter relating to their broadcasting rights. At that time, I was the Additional Advocate General. I was also appearing for one of the parties. We were sailing together. So I requested him to come and take rest in my chamber till the case is called. He sat for some time. After half an hour, he said, I would like to go to the court and sit. Then I told him, there is no need, sir. It is not likely to reach today at all. In any event, we will go sometime in the evening before the court rises for the day. He said, no, I must go. He came to the court. I can also tell the judge, name of the judge. Justice Kalifullah was the judge before whom the case was listed. He came and sat in the court, and Justice Kalifullah asked me for which matter you are appearing. He said, my item is 102 or 103. He said, it's not likely to reach. Then he told the judge, yes, I am told so, but I wanted to come and observe the court proceedings. He didn't stop there. He narrated one incident to the court which is of importance. He said in those days, the enrollments used to take before the first court of each high court. And he was enrolled, according to him, before the Calcutta High Court. At that time, he mentioned the name of an English gentleman who was the Chief Justice. So after the enrollment is over, the Chief Justice used to give a small lecture to those newly enrolled advocates. It seems that Chief Justice at that time told the persons who were enrolled, there are two things which you must learn to be a successful lawyer. One is that you must know the judge. Not knowing him personally, he said knowing the judge means how the judge reacts in a court of law, how he appreciates, what he likes. So it is not knowing any judge personally, but that you will do only when you go and sit in the court. He said that is the first point which we were asked to follow. And the second point is, he said that in order to be a successful lawyer, you need not know law fully, because that is not possible. But you must have the capacity to lay your hands on the right principle at the right time. For that you must work hard. But these are the advice given by the Chief Justice. Therefore, I thought I could come and sit and watch you so that I know you, how you react to a question of law. So therefore, it is very important for you to know the court, not personally, you need not know anybody personally, to know the court, how you react. After all, you must all remember that we are dealing with another mind. In your own house, your wife doesn't agree with you, your son doesn't agree with your point of view, and so also your relatives. So it's very difficult to convince the other mind. In order to convince the other mind, you must know how his mind works. And that is the reason, according to Siddharth Shankar Ray, he went and sat in the court, even though his case was not likely to reach. Mr. Mohan mentioned about we are all lawyers, are all officers of the court. Yes, undoubtedly. And therefore, as officer of the court, you owe a duty to the court, you owe a duty to your client, you owe a duty to the other side, lawyer and his client. You must always remember, you must put forth your best points to the best of your ability. You don't bother about the results. Leave the results to the judge, who will decide it correctly and according to law. And I once again congratulate all of you and wish you all the best in the profession. don't get disappointed. Mr. Mohan said you won't be able to make money. If you work hard, according to me, my experience is different. If you work hard for the first 10 or 15 years, you will not fail in this profession. You can take it from me. And thereafter achievements or becoming a judge or advocate general, God's blessings should be there, your parents' blessings should be there, your guru's blessings should be there. I wish you all the best. Thank you.